Okay, let's meet Bryce. He's a senior agricultural communications major from Perry, Georgia. From the time he arrived on campus, Bryce has been an active leader in several organizations on campus, and he's gonna tell us about the unique traditions that make ABAC so special. Take it away, Bryce.
Jee-haw, woe back, and a big ol' howdy from us here at ABAC. We're excited to have you here, Alex. When I was thinking about college, I knew that I wanted that small town feel. Once I toured ABAC, I knew that I had found a college that would give me a unique and life-changing experience. ABAC is known for its awesome traditions. Some of my favorites are the ABAC Rodeo, the Truck and Tractor Pool, also known as the loudest night on campus, and of course, Homecoming Week, where students and alumni come together to celebrate our alma mater. And let's not forget our most famous tradition, and my personal favorite, Fried Chicken Thursdays. Even our mascot Thunder wouldn't miss one of those. All of these traditions connect Stallions all across the country. ABAC students are given the opportunity to do some pretty awesome internships. I've interned with political campaigns, the Alabama Department of Agriculture, and the U.S. House of Representatives. And it's not just internships. ABAC graduates go on to attend prestigious veterinary schools, medical schools, and so much more. From our nation's capital to ranches in Wyoming and everywhere in between, ABAC Stallions can be found anywhere. Thanks to ABAC, I've made lifelong friends with students, faculty, and staff. I've discovered new passion and made lasting memories. I have no doubt that ABAC can do the same for you. We hope to see you soon. Take it back, Alex.
Wow, Bryce, I can feel the genuine love you have for ABAC, and I'm definitely ready to join you and Thunder for a Fried Chicken Thursday when I come back.